Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Crabs Trades. Today, we're going to be doing a different type of video. Today, we're going to be going over my entire trading journey back when I was unprofitable in 2023 all the way till now, where I'm now receiving consistent prop firm payouts and, consistent 1 to 2K days, depending on the price action, obviously. But we're going to be reviewing my entire journey, what it took to get me here, how you can do this exactly for yourself. So if you guys are new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe before we get into the video so that you can stay on top of all the technical analysis, everything like that, all the sauce that I'll be dropping in these videos. But it's very important that you guys watch this video all the way till the end, because I'm going to be dropping a ton of gems in between here. And yeah, I'm not going to make this video too long just because I want to kind of motivate you guys. This video isn't really to flex. It honestly isn't to flex or anything like that. It's not to tell you that I'm better than you or anything. It's nothing like that. This video is to show you what happens when you actually lock in and do the work that you don't want to do. Because, bro, I was straight up a normal ass person, bro. And back in the day, I used to watch videos just like this. Like, I'm so dead ass. I used to watch videos just like this back when I was a lifeguard. Right here, I was watching probably every single ICT video at my job. I was just sitting here. Yes, I was a lifeguard, but nobody pulled up to the pools, bro. There was no one here. Nobody was swimming, so don't worry about that. I would just sit on my phone and deadass just watch YouTube videos about trading, trying to learn it. And yeah, during the school year, I was in high school as well, so I was a cashier. Dude, hated that job, bro. Like, deadass. Worst thing ever. $14 an hour. This was the lowest point in my life, bro. Like, I was so depressed, and I actually didn't even know what I was doing, bro. Like, look at me. I was probably mad geeked in this. But yeah, just straight up smoking every day. Just nothing good was going on in my life, and I was just trapped in this job that I absolutely hated. I literally felt like a robot. But yeah, let me get back to the point. I was a normal ass person. If you're working a job right now, don't worry, because if you actually lock in on trading, if you actually put in the work that you need to, which is this part right here, we'll go over this in a second. If you actually put in the hours, the time, the journaling, the backtesting, the psychology, if you develop a strong trading psychology, you will be able to become consistent in these markets. And that's the number one thing that I actually focus on, is consistency. If we take a look down here, I'm going to skip this for right now. Let's take a look down here. As you guys can see, I mainly focus on just making 1K, 1K. Here was a good ass day, but let's see. I mainly focus on 1 to 3K a day. And in the trading world, that's not a lot of money for traders. But the truth is, I care about consistency, bro. That's the main thing that I care about. And actually, this was a 6K day, low key. That was a good ass day too. But that's the thing. Once you get hella good at mastering a model, mastering a trading system, you can have big ass days like this, as well as once you get a good amount of capital. Trading then gives you the potential to make $6,000 in a day. These were all funded accounts, Alpha Futures funded accounts, 2K across 3 accounts, 2 times 3, 6K day. Dude, 6K, bro. All right, hold up. Let's go back here. 6K. 6K. I was making $14 an hour here. That's what I was making here in 6 months, bro. 6 months to a year. I don't even know. I was working part-time, so dude, 6 racks, bro. I wouldn't even make that in a month, not in 6 months, bro, working here. To make 6K here lifeguarding, I was making a little bit more cash. I think $17, $18 an hour. Dude, it would take me a whole summer to make that, bro. If even. I would work all day, bro. Let me get back to the point. This is the work that you actually have to do here. Now, this is my checklist. You don't have to use this, but if you guys don't have a model already that you're trading, this is my model. I use this every single day. I take the A+ setups, A and A+ setups. And there's a link for this in the description. First link in the description if you want to grab it. It's 100% free, don't worry. I'm not like these other gurus that are charging you for stuff like this. My goal on this channel is to provide as much value for you guys to help you to reach your goals in your trading, to help you become consistently profitable. Because every time I change someone's life, dude, it's so fulfilling. Change their life or their situation or their trading, which will go down here. You can see one of my students, $40,000 in payouts from Top Step in a month. Oh my goodness, bro. Trading the ABS model, which is the model that I trade, anticipatory breaker block strategy. Another student, took him from knowing nothing about trading all the way getting his first payout 2 months into trading. He knew nothing about trading. 2 months later, he got his first payout. This just shows that when you have the right systems in place, that's really all that matters. When you have the right guidance, that's all that matters, straight up. And no, I don't have any one-on-one spots open. I'm currently working with the current students that I have, and I'm making sure that I'm working with this batch of students to make sure that they get the best results possible. So my one-on-one spots are currently closed, but that's the thing with me too. Like, I don't need your money, bro. I'm not like these other gurus that only make money off mentorship. Like, bro, I'm a trader at heart, and this is what I really love doing, and this is also why I teach trading. Here's another student, banger, 3.5K week, beautiful, no losing days. Dude, it's just beautiful, bro. First ever payout, Linus, beast, bro. He was locked in. He was doing a lot of back testing. I knew that he was locked in. Shout out Cobra, bro. Absolute beast. And most importantly, make sure that you guys have God in your life, because when you have God in your life, everything else is so much easier. For real. Put all your faith in him. Dude, Cobra don't miss, for real. For real, for real. And yeah, man. Dude, testimonials like this really just, it's the whole reason why I ever got into the teaching as well, the coaching. Like, dude, no losing days, ABS model. This is the model. Let's go back to the point, because I'm just all over the place here. This is my first time ever using one of these boards, bro. I was kind of crashing out. Making no cash. Working a job. I hated. I was so depressed in this picture, bro. I was probably mad geeked. I was smoking them fake-ass carts, bro. Dude. Also, if you guys are toking, lock in, bro. That's not going to help you reach your goals. All right, 2023, 2024, really locked in on my back testing. I was back testing every single day for like 10, 11 hours. Yeah, 10, 11 hours, deadass. If I was awake, bro, I was on Netflix replay. I was back testing. I was trying to get better. I was building screen time. Back testing is the biggest cheat code. Here's a gem. I said in the beginning of the video that I'll be dropping gems throughout the video. Here's one of them, the most important one. If you made it all the way here, comment the word gem below as well. If you made it this far, I want to see how many people actually made it this far into the video. If you made it this far, you're a real one. And yeah, more gems coming soon. But this is the first one, first gem. Backtesting is literally the secret sauce. Back when I was getting into trading, you know, I was always looking for the secret sauce. Dude, it's backtesting, bro. Backtest at least minimum 1 week per day of data. Excuse me. 1 week of data per day, minimum. The more the better. If you could do a month a day, it's amazing. And what this is going to do, it's going to build so much screen time. It's going to build so much discretion. You're going to know, number one, is your model that you're trading profitable? Number two, it's going to teach you the certain kill zones. You're going to see certain times of the day where price is way more volatile. And those are the times that you should be trading as well. And if you guys don't have a model, you don't have a profitable model, you can use my checklist. Link in the description. First link, 100% free, of course. Like I said before, I'm not like these gurus that try and sell you stuff. I have nothing to sell you. I'm just here to provide you some free value, free sauce for you guys, and just show you guys my journey. Because, dude, ever since I started trading, I've always watched these videos. Like, honestly, it's just crazy to see how far I've came, bro. Because back here, I was really in a rough spot in my life. Took some payouts from Top Step, certified live with them, so I'm trading live capital with Top Step right now. Also with some other firms, Alpha Futures. But yeah, my focus right now is just scaling, really trying to max allocate every single firm pretty much right now. But yeah, taking my time with it as well. I'm not in a rush. Once you get your model down, you get your system down, you know how to trade. All it is after that is just scaling pretty much. Scaling the more accounts that you have as well as just, trading less, trading higher quality setups. And that's really all it is, honestly. And what this has allowed me to do ever since I started copy trading, trading more accounts, more profits, it's allowed me to travel wherever I want. Here was Cancun. This was last month. Went with another trader, actually. He trades NQ as well. And the thing is, with this game, the more you do it, the better you get, like straight up. It's like anything, honestly, like any sport, any game. Here we're in, I think this was Miami. This was Dukes. Shout out Dukes. Dukes got stopped out on this trade. I'm gonna be real. I remember this. He got stopped out. It's all good though. It's all good. He followed his rules. That's all that matters, right? But yeah, this was Canada as well. And the truth is, like, when I started trading, I didn't know if like the whole like traveling and trading thing was real. But honestly, it's real, bro. Like, you could trade from anywhere in the world and just make cash. And that's honestly one of my favorite things. I love traveling. Canada, this was Aruba right here. Like, dude, I absolutely love traveling. And I love it because that is true freedom. Like, if we go back up here, straight up, I didn't have freedom here. Like, I had to clock in, like, zero freedom, bro. Zero freedom. Had to clock in. I couldn't just go on vacation whenever I wanted. Had a boss I had to talk to, bro. No bueno. No bueno. So, lock in on this, and it will get you all of this. It's as simple as that. Backtest a week a day. If you don't have a model that's profitable, mine's proven to be profitable. My ABS framework, it's proven to be profitable over years and years of data. It's profitable not just for me, but also for my students. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my journey. Trade safe, don't full port, don't over leverage, don't over trade. Build your trading psychology, walk away after a loss, have a positive risk reward. More videos just like this coming soon. And also, I'm going to be doing more videos which are very detailed on my trading psychology and my trading model. And I'm going to be teaching you guys consistency as well, how to be consistent every single month from trading and make this like your income. Because the way that I trade, it's based to avoid a job. That's what it's based on. So it's based on consistency. I don't go for big ass moves. I normally go for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 max, 1 to 2.5 ish. I catch consistent moves every single day. And that's what keeps me away from the job. But yeah, we'll catch you guys. Till next time, stay safe out there. Peace out.